Back again with the old, looks like a K100 to me. 86 model, they say. Haven't seen this one before. Very tidy. Very tidy. K100, there it is. Very nice. And then if we come over here, there's a, I've got the two Yamondas here today. You don't see them too often either. And if we come over here, we've got the 3-cylinder one. You don't see these too often either. Along with the 900 there. Got quite a nice lot of bikes here today. There's my old mate's K13. A few nice ones in here. Greg ZXR again. There's a little rocket there.
I went to 2 meetings and I decided that wasn't for me.
Big machine.
And then they moved.
Haven't seen him before either. I think I used to own the ag bike like this one. There's the owner over there.
This is what my stand is right
now. So what's this up here?
Well, that's the air cleaner for the bike.
So that's your engine breather?
No, the original casing, this is a later casing. So the later casing.
Yeah, some classics here again today. GS. Nice old bowl door tucked in here. A 900, along with a few other nice ones in there. Yeah, very nice today. Have a look at that for a line up through there. '79 and a 74 or 5 there. A new one and a K4 up the end. All the boys are out yakking about that 100 over there. They like it. Even got a Suzuki RG500 in here, which is not Greg's, it's a new one, or someone else owns it. More coming in, there's the Suzuki boys coming in. Got a couple of old clangers here, except that's a new Bonnie. That's going to be Mark, see. See a few bikes lined up out here today, but there's John's big 1300 there. Look at them all out here. A lot of new ones. And that thing, that's a Voyager, that one. She's a whopper. Nice 1400 Suzuki.
Yeah, well they had 2.
Yeah. A lot of bikes here today. Here's Alan and his little RD 350. Yeah, it's a big day. Especially having two Yamondas in together again. And we don't see the bowl doors too often. Yeah, she's a little beauty, that one. Big machine.
Don't know if you'd quite go that far. Handling probably wouldn't be the best.
Oh.
They don't have time. I do remember that there, Dave. So clearly.
Crank this little 650 up. Yeah, it does. Sounds like Big Brother, doesn't it?
Nice bike.
Yeah, she's got that.
Where the heck you got the bike from? Like having a ride.
That's more like it, Bill.
Oh, that's perfect.
Good old Honda 4s, eh?
Hardly works.
They're all going. See you, Bob. 900 Hornet. Yeah. Boys are all. Yes.
Up on that, mate.
He's got.
We'll put some Vaseline on the tire.
Even that would be a struggle.
He's going to lay some
I love
rubber.
these things. They just go ring.
He said it's a 72, didn't he? Registered, and he can't have it on Land's Rego.
The amount of work, the amount of times I ride it.
I hope I don't look like that when I'm 500. He'll do this. He's going to lay rubber out here now.
See, hit. Stop.
Yeah. Oh, he stopped her. Okay, you powerful machine. It seems to go all right. Yeah, there's 800. An 800 Kawasaki. Yeah, that is a really nice BM there. Get a bit cloudy looking too. Hey Greg. There goes young John on his Honda. He's had that since new, that bike. Yeah, nice Honda K2. Mark's nice Z900. Nice DM. Another day at MRS. Thanks for watching. A lot of them are going home now. That's a nice shiny paint job on that thing. bit of chrome.